In this video, I'm going to show you how to create email signature on Gmail. The first step is to go to settings, click on the settings icon, click on all settings. In the general tab, scroll down. Here you can see signature. Click on create new signature. Give it a name. Click on create. Add the content of your signature. You can even add images. The next step. So select your signature for new emails and also for forwarded use. Click on Save Changes. This will create an email signature for your Gmail. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.